Since 1990, we have spent millions of euros and tens of thousands of research hours to find scientific answers to life's most important and challenging questions. What makes us happy? What makes us healthy? How can we heal from physical and mental disease? How can we heal emotionally and sexually so we can be happy in our relationships? How can we develop our talents and be of value to the world? We have interviewed more than 15,000 people and asked more than 4,000 different questions. After 20 years of intensive research, we are beginning to find the answers we have been looking for so long. We have already presented these answers in 250 research papers and about 30 books. Now we bring it all to you. Welcome back to the Quality of Life Research Center. Today the subject I will talk about is spontaneous remission of cancer. Or rather, induction of spontaneous remission of cancer. Then it's not really spontaneous any longer. The story is that every second citizen in the Western world will die from cancer. But not all cancer patients who got cancer dies. Sometimes you get cancer, but the cancer disappears again spontaneously. And it happens a lot. Many years ago it was thought that this was a rare thing, a rare occasion. But a Danish researcher, Ulrik Die, made a book called Cancer Miracles, Kræftmirakler. And in this book he documented that many patients are actually having spontaneous remissions. He studied it in the radio. He asked for patients. He invited people who had this experience to come to him, and he got the medical record, and he studied if it was like a true spontaneous remission, if it was really certain that the cancer had been there and now it was gone. And what he found was that in about 45 cases there were actually a spontaneous remission happening. So he concluded that it is a common phenomenon and not a rare phenomenon as we thought some years ago. He analyzed what it was about, and he saw that one of two things are happening before spontaneous remission. Either you have a spiritual awakening, you come to a deep realization of what life is about, who you are, your position in the universe, these deep things, or you find an extreme willpower that you simply want to live. And he gives many examples of that in this book. So in the clinic we came to know about Ulrik Die's work, and we had this question: what if we are inducing these awakenings? What if we are helping people to come to know themselves? Will the cancer go away? Can we induce spontaneous remissions of cancer? So we made a clinical trial with a few patients who had cancer, and we helped the patients to explore themselves and solve their existential problems and come to know who they were. And in several cases we saw miraculous healings of patients with cancer from this method. So in this paper we tell the story about this study, how we help these patients, what happened to them, and I think it's a very encouraging story. It shows that even if you have cancer, even if you have the most life-threatening disease of all diseases, there's still a lot you can do for yourself. Your destiny is not only up to the doctors. You yourself hold the key to your healing and your future health. This was my personal conclusion from this study. But read it and judge yourself.